Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can delete your game on Roblox. So it's pretty simple. So first what you want to do is turn your game into private. So right now I'm inside my game on Roblox. So what I need to do is click on where it says game setting. From game setting, I need to go inside this option called permission. From permission, I need to make sure it's selected on private and click on save. Once I click on save, I need to click on save again. And basically I have turned my game private. Now once I have turned my game private, what I need to do is click on file at the top left of the screen and click on where it says close place. Once I click on close place, it's going to take me to my Roblox game setting dashboard. From over here, I need to click on my games, and from under my games, as you guys can see, the game I have just created is private now. Now once it's private, what I need to do is hover my mouse on top of the game and click on the three dot right at the top right of the game and click on where it says archive. Now archive basically means that I have deleted the game, but it's going to be saved on my archive, so don't worry about it. Now once you have put the game in archive, you can go into roblox.com and try to check your game. Your game is not going to be displayed. It's going to be saved on this archive section. And if you ever want to open the game again, you can unarchive it and make it unprivate and you should be able to play your game. But there is no such thing as deleting it permanently. You can just archive it. That's how we guys can delete Roblox game. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.